Hello, guys. What's up? I've got an exciting news for you about Canva. Canva has released a new feature that I am super excited about, and it's about curved text. And so, what I want to do is show you how I am using this new Canva feature to create really unique kind of logos for my social media graphics. And then there are some other opportunities that you can use these little logos as well with this curved text. Okay, so let me hop right into it. I'm gonna start doing all my talking so you guys can see this awesome new feature inside of Canva. All right. Here's what I want to show you how you can use it, how I am using it currently. So right now you see that I've created these I would call them like picture logo graphics, right? Where I've actually just put my name, which is this is my handle that I use on all of my social media platforms. So I have a emoji graphic of myself with my name at Alease. Michelle, and this will take you to all of my social media profiles. If I don't want to use the emoji or something like that, then I can use actually my picture with my name underneath it as well. So I am going to show you how I am using this currently. So here are a couple of social media graphics that I've created. And I'm using that emoji logo here, as you can see. Let me give you guys some more face so you can see this in a larger version. All right, so you can see that I'm using the emoji logo on my graphic, on my social media graphic. I'm also using it very small underneath my title. Let's see, I used it over to the right-hand side in this graphic as well. So it gives a lot of a uniqueness. It helps with branding. My emoji with my blue glasses are like my signature look so far. And people actually recognize me by my blue glasses, but they also recognize me without the glasses. But I love this little emoji, and you can also upload your own emojis in Canva as well. So I'm gonna see if I can remember to do that as well in this training. So enough of me talking and showing you that. I just again want to show you how you can use this and how I am actually using it. All right, so let me take you into the tutorial and let's do this, okay? All right, so let's start off with a brand new design. And I am going to look for a logo design because it's going to be a square design. It's going to be great, a great size to start with. So we're going to start off with that. And I am going to create the exact image that I did over here. Right. And I'm actually going to show you about the emoji as well. So that'll be easier to try to take care of that all in one swoop. All right. So what I am going to do is create my shape, my element first. And so we're going to use a circle shape. It automatically fills with my brand color, which is gold. If you want to change the color, of course, change it to your brand colors or change it to any color like you can. I mean, that's just self-explanatory. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go look for my emojis. So you can go down here to more, and it's going to give me my bit emojis. Now, my bit emojis are connected to my Snapchat. So if you guys don't have a Snapchat account, the emoji thing probably won't, the bit emoji won't pop up, but if you do, connect it and then your emojis will pop up. Okay. And so this is my emoji. I think I'm going to use, let's see. Yep, let's use this one. I like this with me winking. So let's try that one. So what I love about bit emoji is that the background is already removed. And I'm going to fill this in just like this. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Right. I am going to select it all to group it so it doesn't move around. And if I need to size it down a little bit, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to size it down a little bit. Okay. So now we have a circle shape with my bit emoji inside. Now it is time for me to add some text. So I am going to fill it. I'm going to put the text. So I'm going to put my profile handle in here. I need to make it black so I can see it. So let's go ahead and make that color black. And so I'm going to do the @ symbol. Michelle. All right. I think I'm going to make it a tad bigger. Put it underneath here. That doesn't look like that straight, so I'm going to move that over a little bit. Now, here's the magic. I'm going to select the text, and then you go over to Effects, and y'all see curve? Yes, there's curve text. Let me give y'all a little bit more face so y'all can see that. And right now, the curve is not the curve that I want. I needed the curve the other way around. So I take the slider and I slide it the other way. Y'all see that? It's curving. And so that's the sort of curve I want. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. I'm going to make my lettering bigger. And if I curve it too much, it's going to be too tight, but I think I'm liking it a little curved that way. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And I'm going to move it up. But if you want your text at the top and bottom, let's see what that looks like. I select it all so that I can size it out down at one swoop. All right. And so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it because I want some text. I'm going to change the curve on this one to go the other way around. And then I'm going to move it up. So I might put marketing strategist. Am I spelling this right? I'm probably not. Let's put a marketing coach for right now. So you guys see that my spelling is atrocious. So let's fix that. Okay. And I'm going to take the @ sign away. And I'm going to make this capital. And then I'm going to move it over a little bit. So that can be my simple little logo right there. And that can be your simple logo that you can use on all your social media graphics. Once you're done, you can go and hit download. And you want to make sure you select transparent background. Now, let me just say this before I go on and save this. Sure, if the transparency background is available for the free version. I think the transparent background is only for the pro version, and which I've said to all of you guys and all my coaches, I strongly suggest that you just, invest in the pro version because there's so many unique features that you're going to want to use for your branding, right? So you hit the download, make sure it's PNG, that it has a transparent background, and then you download it. And then it's going to give you some other little fun options that you can use it on a business card, but we don't need that right now. And so now that it has downloaded, let's go and let's duplicate this graphic. Let's delete this because I want to bring in that new design that I just created. So I'm going to upload it. I'm going to drag it in here. I'm going to pop it there, size it down, and that's my new logo. It's up at the top, my new branding logo. Y'all gotta see that? Isn't that just the cutest thing? I absolutely love that. And so let me show you real quick, just in case you don't want to use a bit emoji. Just in case you don't want to use a bit emoji, then you want to use your photo. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick as well. Okay. So let's do that. Let's go back to our original logo. I'm going to create a new one. And here is what we want to do. We want to go to Elements. And we want to select a picture frame. All right. And I'm going to size it up. I'm going to go into my folder, going to drag this picture right here. I'm going to slide it down. I'm going to increase my image a little bit inside of there. Right. And just for a shortcut, I'm going to take my same name. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste it. Right. And then I'm going to grab this up here, copy, And I'm going to paste because it's the same concept, but you see now this doesn't fit. So let me move this down a little bit. And this text up here can be a little tighter. So I'm going to go back to effects and I'm going to make it a little tighter. And I'm going to make this one a little tighter as well. So we can have, ooh, look at that. Now, I think I want marketing coach to be bold. I think that'll give it a better look. Look at that. Yes. I will group the whole thing together. And now I have a picture logo with my photo in there. And I can use this the same exact way. Here's a little fast trick too, if you guys want to know. I can copy this. And I actually can bring this copied version into another design. So let's hit copy. Let's get rid of this one. And then I can hit paste. And y'all saw that quick little trick I just showed y'all? I showed y'all that quick trick that I can actually paste it as well. You don't have to download it. If you're working in in Canva from one document to the next, you can do that. And so let me show you guys how that looks. And that will be my finished design. Isn't that awesome? That is the simplest way to create a unique logo using curved text. And Canva just made the process super easy. Is that not awesome? So if you're not using Canva right now in your business and creating some branding, then I suggest that you download and watch a couple of tutorials. I have a couple of Canva tutorials. There are tons of Canva tutorials on YouTube. Definitely watch some of those videos so that your branding can stand out, so that you can be seen as unique and that you can start attracting paying clients that really love, designs that stand out, literally, right? That they can start connecting you and your branding together. Easy breezy, right? So I hope you guys love that tutorial. Let me know if there are any other types of tutorial that you would like for me to show you using Canva or other software. I am also a PowerPoint queen. I haven't used PowerPoint as much because Canva has introduced so many wonderful features. But if there are any type of other training, Canva tutorials that you would like for me to do, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll be great. I'll be so excited to do that for you. All right, guys. I hope that helped. You have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.